In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Exness. To get started, open your Exness personal area. This is where you'll prepare the deposit details before sending any funds from Binance. It's important to begin on the Exness side first because you need the correct wallet information and network details before making the transfer. Once you're inside your Exness personal area, click on Deposit. This will take you to the list of available payment methods. From there, select Tether or USDT as your payment method. Make sure you're choosing the correct cryptocurrency, since sending the wrong asset can cause delays or even loss of funds. After selecting USDT, you'll be asked to choose your preferred network. At this stage, also select the Exness trading account where you want the funds to be deposited, then click Continue. Take your time here because the network you choose must match the network you will use later in Binance. If the networks do not match, the transfer may not arrive correctly. Next, Exness will display a USDT wallet address for your deposit. You can either copy this wallet address manually or scan the QR code shown on the screen. If you're using Binance on a mobile device, scanning the QR code can be a quick and convenient option. If you're on desktop, copying the wallet address is usually the easiest method. Either way, make sure the address is captured exactly as shown. Now switch over to Binance and begin the withdrawal process for USDT. This is the stage where you'll send your funds out from Binance to the Exness wallet you just prepared. Be careful during this part because crypto transfers are typically irreversible once confirmed. When prompted for the destination address in Binance, paste the Exness wallet address you copied earlier. Double check that the address matches exactly. It's also a good idea to confirm that the selected network in Binance is the same one you chose in Exness. That alignment is one of the most important parts of the whole process. Before completing the withdrawal, review everything carefully, including the wallet address, the chosen network, and the account you want to fund on Exness. Even small mistakes can create unnecessary issues, so a final review is always worth it. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed with the withdrawal in Binance and wait for the transfer to be processed. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain and credited by Exness, the funds should appear in your selected trading account. And that's how to transfer USDT from Binance to Exness.